Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I look busted and tired. I know both of these things are facts, but it is what it is. I am a frontline worker, and the only way I can put it is that COVID is kicking our ass. And I've been working a lot. So I finally got a few days off. I slept for about 10 hours today, and I'm still tired. I could probably go back to sleep, but I have things to do. And one of them is film videos. Now, a couple of you have asked why I posted a gaming video. Well, that's because, if I'm going to be honest, I don't have time to do my makeup. When I do my makeup, I plan a look. I do it, which takes me a couple of hours, and then I wash it off because, I can't go anywhere because we're still under quarantine. So, I've found other ways to de-stress. I'm really heavy into my wig making again, and I bought my gaming laptop on Black Friday, so I'm really into that too. So if you see that my makeup content is kind of diminished, that's why. I have like 2 days off this weekend, so I'm gonna try to do my makeup. I honestly don't feel like it, but I'm gonna try. And I do have some footage, some makeup footage in my on my desktop, so I'll probably edit that, and there'll be a couple more makeup videos. But for the most part, my content currently is going to be changing. It's going to be ever changing depending on, what I'm doing at the time. And just right now, makeup is not one of them. However, that does not mean I'm not buying makeup. I know it doesn't make any sense. Don't ask questions. Just accept it. I have a problem. And I got another package from Glam Goth Beauty. I bought her nude set, and currently she's got holiday sets going on because when I'm filming this, it is the 12th of December, so hopefully by the time I post it, her bundles will still be available. But I needed some nudes, and I love her lipstick formula. I have Blood Rose and another one of her reds. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's like Lights Out or something. It was part of her Harley Quinn collection. So I have those reds, and I love them. I also have her milk chocolate liquid lipstick. I believe that's called, starts with an R or something. Either way, her formula is great. So when I saw that her nudes came in a set, I decided to pick them up. And I also bought some more of her beauty sponges because they're bomb. I hope that she comes out with more beauty sponges that have a flat edge, because those are great for when you're trying to apply your powder or carve out your cheekbone. I love those. They're a lot more easy to use than the round beauty sponges. But her beauty sponges are super soft. Love it. You can use them wet or dry. I prefer mine wet because I do have dry skin and I need all the moisture I can get, honey. Anyway, I bought 2 of those. You guys have seen these already, but this is the package they come in. And I also bought a mirror. This one is a nude mirror because, sadly, let me show you. Sadly, I broke my black one. So now I can throw this out because I really like this mirror. I like it black. I'm going to probably purchase a separate one, a black separate one. So I'm really upset, but this bundle came with a mirror, so I'm very happy about that. This is the Nude Mirror. So Glam Goth, the diamond. Once again, I think I've said it before. I wish the handle was a little bit longer because I have big hands. This is nice for someone that has smaller hands, but I have Sasquatch-sized everything. So, maybe in the future she'll have a longer handle. But as far as the sturdiness and quality of her mirrors, they're not flimsy or anything. I just kneeled on mine and broke it. Okay. Let's talk about these lipsticks. Okay. Oh, and of course the classic pictures, the photo shoots. This is part of her Harley Quinn bundle. So she just used that. And I didn't see the sticker. With every order, you're supposed to get a Glam Goth sticker. And I don't think I got one in this order. That's okay, it's just a sticker, but I look forward to those. Alright, don't need that. Okay, so this bundle comes with 4 liquid lipsticks, and they are in the shades Graveyard, Salvation, Renegade, and Perish. So I believe I already have Renegade. That's the milk chocolate I was talking about earlier. So I'm not going to be putting these on my lips because I don't think it's going to have any kind of like effect. Like, I don't think it's going to look good because I don't have any makeup on and I look busted. So I'm just going to be doing swatches on my hand. So I've shown you the package before. It's got the holographic amazingness on it, the ingredients. And then, of course, her brand is cruelty-free vegan, and this packaging is recyclable. So, let's open this up. I do need to invest in one of those lipstick holders because I do have a lot of lipsticks, which is kind of funny because we're wearing masks 24/7 these days, so no one's going to even see your lips. So why am I buying lipsticks? I don't know. Once again, I have a problem. I just love makeup. I can't help myself. I love makeup. All right, so this is the shade Graveyard. So this is a very cool tone. And this is the packaging of all her liquid lipsticks. I love this. I think it's very chic. I love that gradient ombre. It's very badass. And then, of course, the sticker is on the bottom. So let me shake it up just a little bit. Shake it up. All right, once again, this is the shade Graveyard. It does have a kind of sweet smell. It's not vanilla, but it does smell like some sort of fruity candy. Oh, let me show you the applicator. Very precise applicator, so you can use these as a lip liner and then apply a separate color in the middle of your lips to give that ombre look. And her formula is very opaque. That's one swipe. So once again, that is I would say that's a very neutral, cool tone kind of nude. So for me, I could wear this on my lips. I would just use a darker lip liner, maybe like the shade Club Hopper from NYX or Downtown Beauty from NYX, and then just and then apply this and it would look great. If you have a deeper complexion, you're probably going to want to use one of her other liquid lipsticks like Renegade that I'm about to show you as a liner. She's done this in her videos where she uses one of her deeper shades as a liner, and then she goes in with a lighter liquid lipstick in the center, and it looks real good. Okay, so definitely check out her videos. The link to her YouTube and her cosmetic line will be down below in the description box if you want to check any or all of those out. And I'll try to leave a direct link to this bundle too if you want to get your hands on it. I do believe it's still available. All right, so this is the shade Renegade, and this is that really milk chocolate brown that I was telling you about. So let me show you once again the packaging. Super, super rich. Rich. Yes, honey. Whew. Girl. And this formula, like, I have dry ass lips. When I say dry, I'm talking about like you could like in the winter, you can like peel a layer of skin off my lips. I know it's disgusting, but I'm just trying to tell you how dry my lips are. So usually I have to do a whole, you know, moisturizing lip mask, all that jazz before I want to apply a liquid lipstick or even just a regular matte bullet lip. These, I don't have to do any of that. Like, they don't cling to my dry patches. They don't accentuate my lip lines. Like, they're very moisturizing, but they're budge proof. Once they dry, they're not going anywhere. They do have a little bit of wiggle room to blend them out, so it's not like they're on your lips and then like instantly cement. So you do have a little bit of time to blend them out. But as you can see, those two together look really good. So that milk chocolate that I just applied is the shade Renegade, which I'll probably be giving this away since I already have that shade. All right, next we have Salvation. And this is another lighter nude. So there's that one. That's even brighter than, which one's this called? That's even brighter than Graveyard. But it's got a nice peachy undertone to it. Once again, if you are deep complexion, you can make these lighter shades work. You just need to make sure you have the right lip line. Anyway, so that's Salvation. Yeah, they have some sort of, it smells like, what does it smell like? It kind of smells like those Sour Patch Kids or something, where it's like fruity, but it has like a tart kind of smell. They smell good though, but just to let you know, they are scented, but it's not like overpowering, like I'm getting really close to smell it. But they do smell really good. All right, and then the last shade is Perish. So let's get into that. Let me show you the shade. So this is Perish. Ooh, yes. Yes! So that's Perish right there. That's a gorgeous brown. I love that. That right there, I think if you are like tan to tan deep to deep, I think that would be your perfect nude. It's, oh my God, it's like got like warmish undertones to it, but it's not red. I don't know how to describe it. It's just, I always associate things with food. So to me, it kind of looks like, let me think. What kind of candy is that shade? I can't think of anything right now. I'm just tired, but that's a gorgeous brown. I'll probably be using that one first. I like that. Anyway, these are the 4 nudes that you get in this bundle. And once again, they are very friendly to all skin tones. As you can see, I am very pale. I have neutral undertones, so I can go yellow, like, you know, warm, or I can go like really pink in the wintertime. So if they work for me, that means they work for all undertones. And I think the shades are going to be very complementary to all different tones of skin. So super pretty. Okay, so that's it for this video. Once again, I am so sorry that I look busted, but y'all know what it is on this channel. I am very real. I'm not going to get dressed up if I don't feel like it, but I want to give you this heat. I want to show you the stuff that I am buying and loving, because I know there's other people out there that have the same aesthetic I do, and I want to show you like where the deals are, pretty much. Where's all the great products? Because you don't have to spend a crap ton of money to get a great product. All this together, let me tell you how much I paid for all this, because she was having a sale, and I'm going to leave the amount right there while I look. So all together, with the 2 Bloody Blenders and the Buy My Nudes bundle, this was $37.95. So I saved over 50%. It was $32. I saved $32. That was during her anniversary sale. That's just one sale. So all you have to do is like pick out the things that you like. Say it's a little outside your budget. Wait till the sale hits, and she's always having sales. And then just snatch that stuff up. You don't have to be buying stuff at full price. You don't have to buy the hottest, hippest, newest stuff from these well-known brands and stuff like that. The indie brands are where it's at right now. Like personally, I think like, you know, the places like MAC, Anastasia, Tarte, Too Faced, they're like ColourPop. They're like doing things we've seen before. So it's these smaller brands like Glam Goth Beauty that really is bringing the fire. And this is just the proof. You guys have seen my other videos of showcasing her products, and I use all of them. That's the thing. It's not like I buy them and don't use them. I literally use all her glitters, and I'm probably going to get a lot of use out of these nudes because they're great. They're pretty, and they're very skin tone friendly for like every skin tone, which is really hard to find in nudes because, you know, nude is not just one shade. Whatever skin tone you are, you have a different nude. So I like that she took that into account when creating this bundle. Anyway, let me stop. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. Stay safe. Continue to follow the CDC guidelines. And just do your best to stay COVID-free because this is no joke out here. That's all I'm going to say. This is no joke. And I'm just praying for you and your family. And I hope that you're going to send good vibes my way too. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!